See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Traditional rulers, be careful of the way you play politics. And even romance and play politics against the government that recognizes their stool. I will not hesitate. I will not. It doesn't matter whoever's involved. I will deal with that. I have been careful. I've been warning. Don't dare you think. You come here, you call me your in-law. I won't take it. Don't insult the seat of government. Nobody will take it. And I want to, this is the last time you should stop playing politics with us too. I won't take it any longer. I have to say it now, so he won't say that I did not tell you. And I've told the chairman of the Rivers Traditional Rulers Council, please call him to order. I know what I passed through to upgrade us to. You can't use what I've done to fight me. I'll fight back. You have seen a governor, he won't serve the governor, he's a small boy. What a small boy will do to you. You understand that this small boy you're talking about, the power both from heaven and earth is with him. When he descends on you, then you know that Kakindo be leader. We are going to support the governor. Anything he wants us to do, we will do. There's nothing like my mentor. There's no mentor. He is now our leader, isn't it? Anywhere he directs, we go, isn't it? He follow, we go. So those of us who understand what power is all about will respect the authority. Power has emerged and has emerged. So wait till 2027. Whether you be alive or not, it's in the hand of God. So wait, he will govern us till 2027. And I believe, from what I've seen, the way he has started with, I hear that they are spiritual commissioners. That tells you a man who is ready and prepared to work. He's not waiting. Which means before he came, he had put himself down, he had looked at people and said, well, if this thing happens, this is what I'm likely to do. And we're not going to relent.
That's why I said don't touch River State. The day you touch River State, you will begin to have problems. I have no doubt. All those who are scheming against River State, just watch how they will be having problems.
When I hear people declaring for APC, saying that they want to continue the good job of Mr. President, the good job of people dying every day, the good job of Naira falling every day, I feel so ashamed that we have gotten to the level where sacrificing, people will come and say, look, I want to continue the good job of Buhari. What is the good job of Buhari? Of hunger is a good job, of poverty is a good job, of insecurity is a good job, of the economy falling is a good job. It's such a shameful thing. Only one person can be a minister from a state. I will not be a minister. I will not. I'm not a liability. So everybody will have to be careful. You give somebody an umbrella, the next day he defects. I will never disappoint PDP. If I disappoint PDP, I will never have peace in my life. Then EFCC will come. He said, no, let me join them. So EFCC will not be against you. You carry the vote of another party. I join another party. Can you transfer vote? You work hard for somebody to win the election. Tomorrow the person says, no, I have defected. If you are defected, leave the seat. If you know it is easy.
We've seen successors turn against their predecessors in politics.
Yes.
Yeah. Would you be worried if that happens to you?
Why? Is he serving me? Was he born to serve me? He was born to serve the state. The problem we have, or leaders have, is that, look, you succeeded in supporting the person to be in office. Right? What you did, is it for him to fail or to succeed? You want you to come into your house to be taking orders? You want your wife to go into tell you, look, this is what I want to do, not what. You see, well, once you have left office, you give yourself that respect. I say, I have done my own. If you want my advice, it's okay. If you don't want my advice, it's okay. But for me to begin from day to day, telling you must do this, you must do that, that's not acceptable.
To say that I should not go for second tenure, it is for the people of River State. It doesn't matter what his opinion is. It doesn't matter, because he is not the owner of River State. He's not the people of River State. He's one person in River State. As a governor, I will come and go. I can't stop it. I must come and go. All the Keba left. You never had that saying that you will do this, you will not do that. The day my tenure, by the grace of God, I go. As God wants it. I am not going to impose anybody on this state. I will not do it. You see what happened in Edo State? You see what happened in Anambra State? Even in River State, it did not happen. In 2004, that time the husband was the governor. So she was going to Bori camp for women empowerment. I was to run for my second tenure as chairman of my local government. Maybe you should forget this. I want to remind you today. They were having lunch with the husband and the former state party chairman then, Prince Uche Secondus. And I was told that my name has been removed in the list
So I ran down to government house. Then she had finished her own lunch and left the husband and was entering the vehicle. I said, Mommy, I'm finished. She said, what happened? I said, I removed my name. She ran back straight to the husband. So what happened? The husband said, what is the problem? My son said, I removed him. He said, who removed his name? At that time, secondaries had left. Then the husband called the security at the gate. Stop secondaries, you should come back. Our secondaries came back. That was how I went back a second time chairman. For me, I can't talk about my growth without mentioning her. Saved my career in politics. And so that was how I grew from there to become what I am today.
You talk here now. In the evening, he said this again. He says a politician. What kind of politician is that?
Yeah, but you are on record as in the past publicly saying that you will never have a kind of disagreement with Dr. Odili that will lead to this kind of frustrated relationship.
No. Sir,
that is saved your political career.
No, don't make that. I never said so.
Any day that I will make Dr. Odili and his family to cry, God, don't allow me to grow.
I hear they have a judicial consultant now who say they should not worry. As far as she's there, nothing will happen. That is their business. As far as God is the one that put you there, the same God will protect you. So let nobody tell you stories. I built the cancer center on record time by the best construction company, Julius Berger, and I named it after one man. I built Judicial Institute, and I named it after one woman. Leave these political harlots, leave these political challenges. I will continue to defeat them.
What is happening here in our dear state is somebody who have respect for an elder. Mr. President invited all the parties to Abuja and came out with a resolution that we should go and implement. That resolution, I'm implementing it, is not a constitutional implementation. It's a political solution to a problem. And I'm doing it because of the respect I have for Mr. President. But let me say it here. If that action that I've accepted to follow will be taken for my witness, I will surprise them.